In this video, we're going to take a look at reviewing inverse functions. Let's begin by trying to tackle this problem, where we're asked to find the inverse of the function f of x, which is equal to x plus 1 over the quantity 3x minus 4. So go ahead and pause the video and see if you can find what the inverse of f of x is equal to. Hopefully you paused the video and were able to successfully find what the inverse function of f is equal to. We're going to go ahead and walk through that solution now. When I take a look at f of x equaling this expression, I'm going to rewrite that as y is equal to x plus 1 over 3x minus 4. And we know that in inverse functions, the x and y values are reversed. And so here, if I want to find the inverse function, what I'm going to want to do is switch and replace x for my y value and replace each y value for x. Now my question really is to take this and to solve it for y. So to do this, I know that this is x over 1. I'm going to multiply both sides by 3y minus 4. So I have x times 3y minus 4 is equal to y plus 1. I'm going to distribute this x value, and I have 3y times x minus 4x is equal to y plus 1. I want to group my y values, so I'm going to take this y and move it over here. I'm going to move these x's over to the right. So I have 3y times x minus a y is equal to, I'm going to add this 4x over, 4x plus 1. Now I can factor out a y value. So I have y times the quantity 3x minus 1 is equal to 4x plus 1. And I'm going to divide that quantity off. This allows me to get y by itself. And so I know that y is equal to 4x plus 1 all over 3x minus 1, which means that f prime of x is equal to, it's equal to 4x plus 1, which means that our inverse function is equal to 4x plus 1 over 3x minus 1. Hopefully you were able to get this. You'll want to write this entire thing here as your inverse function. Remember that you can always check your work by taking f of the inverse and making sure that that gives you x, and also taking the inverse composed with f and making sure that this gives you x. If both of these work, you will verify that these are in fact inverses.